If you've been wanting to give a wall a more high-end custom look without doing a massive renovation, you definitely have to check out these 3D wall panels. These are provided to me so I could try them out and show them to you, and honestly, the quality surprised me right away. They have a realistic wood look finish, but they're lightweight enough that they're easy to work with and move around during installation. This set also comes with 16 panels total, which covers about 24.67 square feet, so you actually get enough to make a pretty noticeable accent wall instead of just a tiny little section. One thing that I noticed immediately is that these panels just fit right together smoothly and they line up almost like a glove, which makes the wall start looking seamless once multiple pieces are connected together. I also like that they give that modern slate wall look without needing complicated tools or professional installation. You just use construction adhesive and panels themselves are lightweight and easy to handle. And my dad is gonna come over next week and help me with my bathroom, so I'm definitely gonna have a part 2 so you can see what the entire wall looks like. I am so excited to show you, but overall, the quality of these are great. You definitely have to check these out and let me know what you think.